All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the portrait 8x7, 8x10 preset. I can't believe I said 8x7. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to go through, let's do File, New, and we're going to do Photo, View All Presets, and we'll go to Portrait 8x10. We'll create that. We'll do File, Save As, and we'll do 08, and this is going to be Portrait 8x10. Okay, I'm going to save that, and I'm going to grab the image that we had here, and I'm going to paste that in here and see if that fits. Does not. Of course, I don't know if I grabbed the whole image. So let me delete that. Hold on one second. Let's go back here. Let's see. I got Kitty there. Let's see. Control A, Control C. There you go. So now it fits. So you can see that with the 8x10, you get more of the picture in there. Really, the only thing we're missing is just the edges, which is fine, you know. So that's a pretty good example of how you should use an 8x10, because really what you want is the focal point in the middle here. So that's a great example there. Now let's go to Firefox or Chrome, whatever browser you're using, and let's go find some more really cool looking mountain pictures. So I'm going to look up the Alps, okay, and then do 3000 by 3000, okay, because what I want to do is I want to test out a couple different photos to see how they work with the canvas that we have. So for example, this one, okay, if I right click on that and open a new tab, okay, we'll click download, and I'm going to open this. We'll save the file, and then we're going to go to, while that's downloading, let's grab another image. Let's do the, let's see here, the Swiss Alps. Let's look down here. That's a cool one. Okay, that's a good picture. I don't know that this is going to keep the size. Okay, I'm not going to log in there. Let's go with this one first. That's too big. Okay, so I'm going to cancel the download of this one because that is taking too long. It shouldn't take that long. And we'll just go by the, let's grab this one. So you can see here we have kind of the, okay, that's kind of a cool picture. We'll grab this one. Okay, let's close that one. We'll go back to Google Photos here, and let's close this one out. And what I'm going to do is let's grab this one right here. Okay, I'm going to click on that one. Okay, and then we'll open it up. There you go. Okay, I'm going to right click and save this image to the desktop. And yep, it should be downloaded right away. I'm going to right click on that and open this in Photoshop. Control A, Control C. Let's take it to Portrait 8x10. There you go. And let's see how much it's overlapping. Okay, so you can see that it's still overlapping, but really the key part of the image is presentable. Even though it's a wider image, you can really show the peaks here. So it really works for what you're doing. All right, so you can see here it can fit inside of the canvas, and so that's a way to work with that. Now if you wanted to bring it all in, you could do it like this, but you're going to cut off the top and the bottom, because you see right here this has the auto lock, so it auto adjusts the aspect ratio, which I'm going to Control Z that to undo. If you unlock it, then it will still do that. I don't know why it does that. so that it keeps the aspect ratio, probably is why it's doing that. But what I recommend doing is leaving that on. That way you don't mess up the quality of the image, because if it's kind of jacked up, then it's not going to look right when you print it off. So this is how you really use the portrait 8x10 preset. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.